jacks on sale. It's a good deal on this one. Or one of these for my truck. Of the generators, they do seem very premium. Alright, we got the parking lot sale. They got this really good sale going on at the Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches. So there's all sorts of jacks. There's all sorts of tools, toolboxes available for these deals. So make sure you guys stay around for all the video. We're going to have a whole bunch of different tools, including those Quinn torque wrenches. And then you got some discs, angle grinders, tarps. So you name it. They got pretty much everything on sale. So that's a good option. They got some flashlights. And then check out, let's check this one out. This is actually not the strongest. I was looking for that price. I think I might be able to get something better in another store or on sale or something, Costco maybe. But yeah, everything else, these are the new torque wrenches that they have. I never seen their analog style. If you guys like the click analog, this was 99 bucks. They do seem very premium. I like just the thickness of the different shape that they have. They got the professional flex digital torque wrench. This is from the Icon. This is going to be the most premium that they have, $349. And then they got the buy one get one free. So you buy a starter kit for 99 bucks, you get a free tool, which is a pretty good deal for DIYs out there. They got $44 for this random orbit sander, 5-inch, 3 amp. It is corded. And then they got the pressure washer on sale as well, 30% off. $9.96 on that heat gun right there. So that's a really nice heat gun. I personally do have that. And guess what, guys? I'm stocking up on these gloves because, yeah, $5.92 for the thinner ones, and $6.98 and $7.98 for the thicker ones. So definitely, I like the blue ones. Those are the ones that I use all the time. You got $5.99 for these foldable earmuffs from the Ranger brand, and then they got $139 for the Extreme Duty Job Site backpack. Now this one's a new one to me. I never seen this before, but it does have a lot of pockets. One thing I don't like about it is it's kind of dark in there. I just wish they put a little bit more blue on the inside those pockets. And then you guys know me, right? Just older guys need to see a little bit better. Alright, we're going to go over some of these items as well. We're going to go over them here at the store. Starting with this tray, this is $16.99 for this one. And this parking lot sale only runs up until the 5th, I believe. Yeah, the 5th of this. Or actually, inside track clubs are from the 2nd to the 5th. And then everyone else, it runs up to Saturday and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So which is the 8th. So you guys got all this week to get these deals, especially if you got the Inside Track Club. You got the 800 lumen, which this was on sale. I would have grabbed it in just, in a heartbeat. But unfortunately, they did not have that one on sale. It's $39.99, which is still not bad. Then they had this one on already. So, but it just seems like a different light. The one thing they had on sale, it was the Braun, not the Icon brand, which I didn't want. You got a 10,000 lumen 4 feet linkable shop light, $32. That's it right there. So these are actually pretty good. I personally did buy myself a few of these back in the day. And then they got the solar panels, 200 watt super lightweight foldable solar panel, $189. Now there's not the bottom one; it's the one on the top. The one on the top, you are able to fold it, so you're able to use this as a power station to go camping for the job site, whatever, and charge your phone and all sorts of charger devices, your batteries, the drill batteries, and all that. So they got this ladder, $129, which is a pretty good deal, 17-footer reach, foldable ladder, and then you got portable generator, 1800 watt. This was $299, so they got this on sale. It's actually a pretty good deal. Yeah, pretty good deal on that. And then this is going to be the bare bones type of generator. And they got the nicer ones down here, obviously. They got this one on sale. This is a 2500 watt quiet inverter generator. So this is going to be, talking about some better quality. You always want to get the inverter because you got those sensitive electronics. $499. So $499 down from $629. That's a pretty good price. So for a smaller generator. Let's look at the bigger ones here. Now this one, I believe they got this one on sale as well. This is a 5,000 watt super quiet inverter generator, $7.99, and it does have the 30 amp outlet, RB outlets, and just the regular ones right there. Obviously, you got dual fuel, so gas, propane gas, and regular gas. So for the Predator brand, of course, guys. Unfortunately, I cannot leave you guys these links down below in the description section of the video because Harbor Freight does not offer any type of links for these items. But I will try to leave items that are closer to these items that I'm showing you guys. All right, so this is the full lineup basically of the generators. There's a few of these on sale, including this big one here, and this is a 6500 power generator. Now this one is not inverter. This was just a regular inverter, $4.99. But they do have this 9500 power generator. This thing's massive. It's huge. It's very heavy. So it does have two 30 amp plugs and four different 120 volt plugs. So for RVs and all that stuff. So that one is $16.99. That's a really good deal for down from $2,000 basically, if you want to put it that way. Then they have the 1100 watt, which this one was not on sale, but I'm pretty sure it will be in the future. All right, so they got this 9,000 watt starting. This one's $6.99, so that's actually a pretty good deal for the wattage you're gonna get. All right, for pumps, this is I believe semi-trash pump. This one's at $2.19. It is a 2-inch 212cc, and then they got this 12,000 truck SUV winch. This one's $2.79. This is a good deal on this one. These Badland winches are pretty solid. They're not the nicest ones, the fanciest ones, but they do work. Guys, have you ever used any of these? Because I'm personally trying to buy some of these for my truck, or one of these for my truck. I don't know if these are actually worth it or not, but the cheaper ones I'm talking about, not this $99 one. I know this one's pretty nice, but the cheaper ones, have you guys ever, used them with heavy loads or heavy equipment? Have they broken or something? You got $154 for the 5,000 SUV winch, and then you got the 12,000, obviously the one we just saw, for $279. That's it right there. That's what you're gonna get, which is a pretty dang good deal. All right, so $119 for the 6.5 horsepower 212cc horizontal engine, and then $74 for this automatic feed drain auger or cleaner. Personally, I do have this. I did make a video back in the day, so quality might not be the best, but you guys are able to see this working in action. So actually a pretty nice thing. I still have it. I think I have like 6 years already with it, or a bit more. $34.99 for this paint sprayer is very inexpensive. I mean, you could do smaller projects with that. Should get away with it. $89.99 for this HBLP paint sprayer. So a little bit better quality on these. And then, of course, they do got the brand new dust distractors from the Hercules brand. So they got, these are really expensive. If you go with another brand, they're going to be super expensive. But these dust extractors are specialized for dust extracting. So $369 for this one. It includes HEPA compliant filters, self-cleaning dual. So 17-foot hose, and then you got big casters on the back, handles, and all sorts of features on this that dust extractors need. All right, so this one, it got 35% off all the Icon and Quinn sockets. So pretty much all those two brands are on sale. And then they got a whole bunch of different welders and all sorts of stuff. You got a cement mixer for $199, and then that engine, 212cc engine right there for $119, which is a really good deal. They got these pliers. This is a 4-piece pliers set, $19.99. As a matter of fact, I just used them today and yesterday. They seem to be holding up pretty well. And these are a little bit cheaper, so $14.99 for these. These are not going to be the best quality. I would definitely get the Quins or the Icons. $74.99 for the jump start. It's a 100 peak amp 150 psi compressor. $29.99 for the 4 amp automatic processor controlled uh, charger. You got a 550 or 5,500 winch there for $209 from the Badland Apex brand. And then they got the jacks on sale, so definitely invest in these. They got some really nice ones. $249.99 for the low profile Super Duty. They got different colors. They got purple, red, yellow, all sorts of colors. Here's another one, another different color right here, kind of like the orange and the red. All right, for the smaller ones, $129. They got some low profile 3-ton jacks. I personally do have this one, where they work great, guys. That's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Yeah, just something a little bit different. Let us know if you guys want to, see different stores, or if you want me to stick with Home Depot and concentrate on Home Depot and Lowe's. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.